Hi friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about Ma Parvati giving refreshing bath to baby Ganesha. So without any delay, let's start our video. Join 7mm 28 strips of each tight coil. Make total 4 tight coils of 28 strips. Here I am joining 7mm. You can use 10mm also. Like this, you have to attach 4 coils as shown in the video. My one strip length is 28 cm. Here I am making Vinayak Chaturthi special video. Now again join 3mm 28 strips and make a dome shape like this. I have made already 2 domes and apply glue inside the domes. Let it dry for some time. After drying, apply glue and connect the 2 domes like this. Now the dome is ready. Here I am making Ma Parvati. Now again join 5mm 8 strips and make a little dome shape. Here I am making Ma Parvati Vinayak Chaturthi special video. With the same procedure, make another one also. Now again join 7mm 7 strips and make a bigger cone shape. Here I am making legs for Ma Parvati. Make little bit deeper. It should be in a little bit bend shape one. Now connect the dome like this on the seat. Now connect the legs with one another like this and connect the legs like this to the dome. It will be the leg part. Now I have attached the second leg also. Now leg part is ready. Like this you have to attach it. Now here I am making saree for the Ma Parvati. I have used fabric liners for making saree borders to decorate the saree. Like this, take a small cut shape and make pleats like this. And connect this paper to the legs part like this. Here I am making dhoti style saree. I have connected around the paper like this with the help of gum. Now take another piece and make pleats and connect like this on the second part of legs like this as shown in the video. Apply glue and connect like this to the total edge part like this. Now the leg part is ready. Now here I am making stomach part. Join 10mm 24 strips and make a tight coil. Now again join 5mm 3mm 31 strips and make a little bit dome shape. Here dome should be little bit bend in shape. Front shape it should be little bit down and back side it should be in little bit upper. Same procedure for 3mm also. Make little dome shape. Back side little bit big, front side little bit small. Now apply glue inside the domes. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now apply glue inside the domes. Let it dry for some time. For things check in description box below. Now connect the 2 domes. Now dome is ready. Now apply glue and connect the dome to the stomach part like this. Here I am making sitting Ma Parvati. Now decorate the saree with the red color border like this. You have to paste it to decorate the saree. Now I have decorated the blouse also. Now again join 3mm 2 strips and make a tight coil of 2 tight coils and connect to the leg part like this. Here I am making leg part. Now join 5mm 1 strip and make a little bit cone shape like this and make little bit bend shape. Here I am making foot for Ma Parvati. Now apply glue inside the cone like this. Now take a 5mm paper strip and just fold it like this. Apply glue and close it. Now take a scissor and cut small fingers like this. Here I am making foot for Ma Parvati Vinayak Chaturthi special video. Now connect the fingers inside the dome like this. With the same procedure I have made another one also. Now connect this foot to the legs like this with the help of glue. One leg is ready. Now take another leg and make little bit bend shape like this. Now connect the second leg also like this. In a position you have to paste it. Now here I am making pleats. Take a yellow color paper and just make pleats like this for making the saree. Now decorate with the red color border. I have used only fabric liners for decorating the borders and decorating saree like this. You have to decorate the saree and apply glue on the back side and connect the saree pallu to the Ma Parvati like this as shown in the video. Do it slowly and neatly. Now connect the saree like this neatly without any gaps. Do it very neatly and slowly. Apply glue neatly. Now the saree part. Now join 5 mm 2 strips for making neck. Now neck part is also ready. Join 5 mm 10 strip and make a dome shape of black color and skin color. Black should be little bit small compared to the skin color. Now apply glue and connect the 2 domes. Here I am making face for Ma Parvati. Now connect the 2 domes like this. Now join 2 mm or 3 mm 1/5 strip like this and apply glue. Here I am making ears for Ma Parvati like this. You have to make another ear also. Now connect the ears like this. For making nose, just cut in a cross shape. Now I have decorated the Ma Parvati face with facial expressions and ball chains, jewelry, earrings with all ball chains. Decoration is up to you. Now connect the face to the base body. Now take a black color paper and cut in a big strip shapes like this and connect in the front part like this. Now the hair part is ready. Now here I am making hands. Join 5 mm 2.5 strips and make a cone shape. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a cone shape like this. Make a little bit bigger cone. Do it slowly when you are making cones. Now apply glue inside the domes like cones like this. Apply glue neatly with the help of brush. My one strip length is 28 cm. Now apply glue back outside also to give more secure. After drying, connect the dome to the hands like this. It will be the upper hand. Now connect the another lower hand like this. I have attached small bangles I have made with the paper only. Just I have decorated with the fabric liners. Now connect the hands like this in a position. With the same procedure I have made another hand also. Now hands are ready. Now Ma Parvati face is also dried neatly and hair is also looking very gorgeous. Now connect the hands to the Ma Parvati like this as shown in the position. Now connect 2 hands like this. Now again join 3 mm 1.5 strip and make palm like this. Connect the 2 palms. Now Ma Parvati is ready. Now join 5 mm 25 strips and make a 2 tight coils. Here I am making seat for Bal Ganesh. Now connect the 2 tight coils and I have painted with the black color. Now again join 5 mm 4 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making legs for Bal Ganesh. Make little bit bend shape. Do it slowly when you are making domes and cones. Do it with the help of pencil and do it very slowly when you are making cones and domes. Now apply glue first outside and after drying apply glue inside the dome like this. Do it carefully when you are applying inside the domes. After drying, connect the another 10 mm 4 strips of tight coil and connect like this. With the same procedure I have made another leg also. Now again join 5 mm 15 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making base body for Bal Ganesh. Do it slowly. Now apply glue inside the dome. Here I am making base body for Bal Ganesh. For things needed, check in description box below. Now take the base part. Now take the legs and apply glue to the legs like this and connect the legs one by one as shown in the video. It should be in a sitting position. Now it is also well dried. Now connect apply glue and connect dome to the legs like this. Now base body is ready. Now here I am making foot for little Ganesha. Join 3 mm 1 strip and make little bit cone shape like this and take a 5 mm paper strip and just make a small fingers for baby Ganesha. Now apply glue and connect to the foot like this. Now open it. Now make another one also with the same procedure. Now connect the foot to the legs as shown in the video. My one strip length is 28 cm. Strip depends upon the strip length. Now legs are ready. Now again join 5 mm, 3 mm, 1.5 strip and make little bit cone shape. Here I am making hands for cute baby Bal Ganesh. Now again join 5 mm half strip and make small dome shape like this, cone shape. With the same procedure I have made 2 hands. Now apply glue and connect the hands like this as shown in the position. Now 2 hands are ready. Now take back another, repeat same procedure for making this dome also and connect on the back side hands like this. Now join 2 mm half strip for making palm. Now connect 4 palms to the hands like this as shown in the position. Connect, do it slowly. When you are connecting also it will take time. Let it dry for some time. Now I have attached small ball chains for decorating little baby Bal Ganesh. Now join 5 mm 5 strips and make a 2 dome shape like this. Now apply glue and connect the 2 domes. Here I am making face for baby Bal Ganesh. Now join 2 mm 1 strip, 1.5 strip and 1/5 strip and make small dome shape like. Now connect the tusk with attaching 1 by 1 small domes like this. Now join 2 mm 1 strip for making ear for Bal Ganesh. Make little bit in a mango shape like this. Just press it like this. Now ears and trunk is ready. Now I have added facial expressions on the face with aquaric colors. Now apply glue and connect the face to the Bal Ganesh base body like this. Let it dry for some time. Now Bal Ganesh is ready. Now attach tusk to the Bal Ganesh. One should be big, one should be small. Now tusk is also ready. Now connect the weapons to the Bal Ganesh. I have just taken a thick paper and just I have cut it in a shape and I have attached golden paper on that tusk and attached 2 weapons in the hands of the backside hands of the Bal Ganesh. Now connect the another weapon also. Now Bal Ganesh is also ready. It is looking super cute. Now again join 5 mm 30 strip and make a dome shape. Now again join 3 mm 22 strips of 2 dome shape and apply glue inside the 2 domes and spread it neatly. Let it dry for some time. Here I am making bathing tub where we will store water. Now apply glue and after drying apply glue and connect the 2 domes like this. Now bucket is also ready. I have painted it. Now again join 3 mm 4 strip of 2 tight coils and make a little dome shape. You can use 2 mm also, no problem. And make small dome shape. Here I am making small pot and apply glue inside the domes. After drying, connect the 2 domes. For making upper part, join 3 mm half strip, 1/5 strip and just roll it. Now pot is ready. Now paint the pot like this with the golden aquatic color. Now I have made a base with the help of cardboard and I have taken cardboard and just I have pasted green color paper and just colored and I have painted the traditional rangolis on the base. Now Maa Parvati is ready. It is looking super gorgeous and very beautiful. Now Maa Parvati is ready for the festival. Now apply glue. It is looking super cute and very beautiful, very gorgeous. Simply super. Now connect the Maa Parvati on the base like this. Now take back the cute baby Bal Ganesh. It is looking also super cute and very pretty. Now Bal Ganesh is also ready. Now place the Bal Ganesh on the base in front of Maa Parvati like this in a position. Now take back the small pot and apply glue and connect in the hands of the Maa Parvati. Here Maa Parvati making refresh bath to the little baby Bal Ganesh. Now the position is ready. It is looking simply super cute. Now water tub is also ready. Now connect the water tub like this. Now like this you have to paste it. Now the Vinayaka Chavithi special concept Ma Parvati giving refresh bath to the cute baby Bal Ganesh is ready. It is looking simply super cute and very gorgeous. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.